Hi, I'm Nick Montfort, and I write computer programs, very small ones, that generate poems trying to explore the properties of English in a non-scientific sort of way. This is one of the programs that's running. The code is right there, so it's only 256 characters long. It's a very, very short program. It doesn't use any resource from the internet or any database or anything. All that it's doing is this Perl code right here, contained right there.
So it's kind of Twitter.
Yes. It's a similar constraint to SMS, but for the program itself rather than the output. So I can read some of what it does.
Okay.
The laws. Hash of boon, tuck on more, care to cond, mash of lads, hobs at mond, take to mind, car on mate, ponk to rake. The mail. Kong on tour, bush to cogs, cags of lash. Here's another one. The pats. To twill, to kin fats a shill, to shin, spill fills kin, of chill, spin, pat kins a fin, a chin, chit kits to grill. Well, I don't have the same interest in getting to the unconscious that the Surrealist movement did, but they are one of several literary movements that brought out these ideas that language can be recombined in interesting ways. Dada, before Surrealism, was working on this, and gave us the freedom to do this type of assembly of language.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what I'm trying to do is have the computer do this, and I'm trying to write these very short programs which are constrained themselves to be only a certain length. So in that sense, the project is connected with some of the techniques that the Oulipo, this second wave surrealist movement, sort of uses. And so it has elements of avant-garde literary practice from throughout the 20th century. But it's also meant to be an antidote to very, very large programs that are story generators or story recognizers and have giant architectures involved with them. And it's meant to be easily portable and given to people and passed around. It's by definition open source. You have only 256 characters, and you pass those around, and people can run the program. They can modify it if they want and do something else.
Uh-huh.
There's different ideas that people have that go under the name artificial intelligence. So I'm not trying to create cognition that is like human cognition. I'm not trying to simulate the way that people think. But I am trying to create language in a way that's provocative, that's really interesting to people, that makes them think in new ways. And I'm trying to uncover things about the English language that you wouldn't find even by doing very sophisticated computational linguistic sort of work. So it's a project that is involved with the poetic use of the computer, how to create something interesting with the computer, and how to write a program that itself produces something interesting as output. I'd say that it's not useful for feeding us or for providing for the national defense, but it's helping us to experience things about language. It's not like a Dadaist project. It's not meant to be completely nihilist and in rejection of everything. But it's meant to get us involved with language and with words, with vowels and consonants and verbs and nouns in a new way. And it's the type of thing that when we have enough, when we're not in a scarcity society, we want to enjoy our lives and learn more things about our world. And these are the projects that will take us there. They don't maybe help us to live longer, but they're part of the reasons that we want to be alive.